Hey guys, in this short video, I want to talk to you about online surveys, post-purchase surveys, and how it's important for e-commerce. So the number one rule, the golden rule, the number one rule of thumb when it comes to business is the customer is always right. Now, when you have an actual brick and mortar store, it's very easy to get feedback from customers, but online, it's a little bit more complex because your friction with the customers is slim to none. The way to get the feedback is through surveys, and that's something we should always be aware of when running a business online. So when you run an online business, you have two options in order to collect surveys from customers. The first one is to do it through external services, send out emails or SMSs with links to the customers, redirecting them to a page where they need to answer the survey. And the other option is to embed surveys on your website. Now, the other option is always the best one because there are less hoops the customer needs to go through in order to submit the data. So for example, if you just browsing the website and you have like any type of issue or you feel a certain kind of way, it probably is going to be more likely to want to share it with you. On the other hand, if let's say he completed a purchase and 2 days later he gets an email asking for a survey, he's much less likely to comply. So that's why you should always go with embedded forms on your website. Now, we already said that the best option is to use embedded forms on your website, but where should you use them? There are a few options you can do. For example, you can put it on the product page and ask, for example, what question they have on the product, why they like it, what's wrong with the website, how much they think it should cost. These are questions you can ask on the product page. You can use it through on the cart page or during checkout to make sure if they have any issues with the checkout and later on fix it. But if you ask me, the best option is to use it on the thank you page, on the order confirmation page, which comes after the purchase. These are your customers and 100% of them are going to be there. These are customers that went through the entire funnel, and if anyone has anything to say about your store, these are the ones you want to ask. You can also use it to segment your customers. So for example, you can ask them questions like what type of content or deals they want to get from you, and make sure you segment them accordingly and then send them the deals you're offering. So this is like very simple way to segment your customers and later on use it to retain them and get them back to your store. In order to get more enhanced results from your surveys, there are two things you can do. The first one is just add a small question next to each product bought and ask, would you recommend this product to a friend, or why did you buy this product? And you can do the same with the actual survey you put on your thank you page, asking, would you recommend this store to a friend, or what do you think about the store, what was your experience with the store? And just take these the good results, the best results, and feature them on your homepage or on the product page as product or store reviews, which will definitely boost your conversion rate. And again, customers are way more likely to leave a review after they just completed the purchase than a few weeks after they completed the purchase. So this is another thing you can do in order to get the best results out of your surveys. So just to sum up, again, the customer is always right. Now, if you don't know what he wants, there's no way for you to improve. So just make sure you use the power of post-purchase surveys or again, in-store surveys to make sure you give the customer what they want in order to improve and take your business to the next level. So no matter how big you are, just make sure that you do collect data from your customers in the form of surveys or post-purchase questions. No matter how you do it, I recommend you do that. So I'll see you on the next video.